What's up, guys? Certified COG here. Just here at work. Happy Friday to all you guys. Yo, this is I don't think I'm supposed to be here, but it's a pretty cool floor. I told you I'm not supposed to be here. You heard that, right? Yeah, this place is kind of haunted. Don't want to be here at night because the other day the door just opened by itself, but yeah, I'm working in this building and 7th to 8th floor, coming along pretty good. So pretty much day in the life of a HVAC. I don't know what I am. If I'm a helper, if I'm a technician, if I'm the shop bitch. But I think somebody's calling me. Not sure. But yeah, that's my view right there. It's a train. Nice view of Midtown right there, downtown right down there, and uptown down there in the Bronx. I drove my car here today, first time ever driving into this area because it's a pain in the ass to find parking. Parked like maybe 4 blocks down over there because where I live it's gonna take like an hour and 45 minutes to take with the train and bus, so it's no freaking use. But that's about it. Today is, I think, the 23rd, Friday. Just giving you guys a little update on what my life consists of during the week, and maybe on the weekends if I work, which I have to work tomorrow. Not looking forward to that because they say it's an emergency, but getting that paycheck. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I made some clips. I hope it came out good. I'm just trying to test out my camera angle because, as you know, I'm trying to get pretty good at video editing, get pretty good at the... Yeah, guys, I'm trying to get used to camera angles, trying to get used to my editing. I'm trying to get a little more professional and try to be like a daily vlogger to you guys. That's it. So, hope you guys have a happy Friday, a good weekend. 4th of July is in 2 weeks, or in a week. But yeah. Peace out, guys. Subscribe and like for more videos, and I'm trying to bring out more content for you guys. Maybe cool stuff. They're all gonna be cool stuff. Like, as you can see, there's this bridge called Hell's Gate, which is right there. That's Hell's Gate. And cargo planes, and I gotta hurry up. Cargo trains. And the Amtrak goes here, so I'm gonna put on the rear view window right there, and the airport is right there. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of everything. It's gonna look pretty cool. That's probably a future video, maybe a 3-minute video. I don't know how long the time lapse is gonna take because I'm getting used to the time lapse. But this video is getting long enough. See you guys later. Peace out. Talk to you soon.